From the 1950s to the 1990s, things such as birth control, the jet airliner, MRI machines, the GPS, and the MP3 player have been made. Now we reach 2012, where things such as the ultimate iPhone have been created. What do all these things have in common? Well, they all had millions to billions of dollars incorporated into these inventions and discoveries, and have made a significant impact on our lives today. Now, in the year such as 3045, we hope that there are many more inventions and discoveries, and many found because of space exploration. Hello, my name is Taylor Aquino, and my partner is Alan Tang. We will be speaking on behalf of the affirmative side. We, the affirmative, support the resolution resolved that the U.S. federal government should substantially increase space exploration. Let's break some things down for you. Space exploration is the discovery and exploration of outer space by means of space technology. Substantially defined by dictionary.com, meaning of ample or considerable amount of quantity or size. In order for there to be change in today's world, we need to substantially increase the status quo. As of now, President Barack Obama is asking Congress for a $17.7 billion budget for NASA for 2013, an amount that would leave the agency funded at its lowest level in 4 years. Its budget would drop at a 20% reduction, from csmonitor.com. With substantially increasing space exploration, we can have a better economy, have technological advancements, and bring on many possibilities. Our first contention deals with economy. $3,354,177,445. $1,050,829,851. $1,003,781,897. Do you hear that? Billions and billions and billions of dollars going to things such as American Red Cross, Food for the Poor, and the American Cancer Society, all found from charitysearch.com. All very important to our society, so it is great that they are already getting that much money towards them. Unlike one huge agency, the National Aeronautic and Space Administration, otherwise known as NASA, that is getting $19 billion. Now, to us ordinary citizens, $19 billion seems like a lot of money, but for something such as NASA, the base agency of all things related to space, that is just simply not enough, especially since NASA has amazing possibilities to bring in some great money, like through asteroid mining. Asteroid mining happens to be rich in platinum group metals. These metals are extremely rare on Earth. Early evidence suggests that there are trillions of dollars worth of minerals and metals buried in asteroids that come close to Earth. Asteroids are so close that many scientists think an asteroid mining mission is easily feasible, from Wired.com. So not only would we have, and I quote, trillions of dollars through asteroid mining, which we would get by increasing space exploration, there are also many jobs that are brought from increasing space exploration. NASA employs more than 18,000 civil service workers. NASA also employs 40,000 contractors and grants who works at NASA Center, from FoxNews.com. Isn't that amazing that nearly 60,000 people are getting jobs from NASA, and with the increase of space exploration, we need even more. Our second contention deals with technological advancements. Boeing.com states that NASA is helping with things such as cancer detection and treatment. For example, LED, a special lighting technology that was originally used for plant growth experiments aboard the space shuttle, is now being used in form of chemotherapy to treat brain tumors in children and many other forms of cancer treatment. Or silicone chips in the Hubble Space Telescope that convert a distant star's light directly into digital images have been adopted so that doctors can easily detect tiny spots in breast tissue. This procedure is less traumatic and reduces the pain, scarring, radiation, exposure time, and money associated with surgical biopsies. Or what about those athletes out there? Did you know that athletic shoes were originally developed for lunar boots? Or what about all you water drinkers? Water purification system technology used in the Apollo spacecraft is now employed in several applications to kill bacteria, viruses, and algae in community water supply systems and cooling towers. So to readdress the resolution, by significantly increasing space exploration, we can discover useful things that everyone can benefit from. Our last contention deals with possibilities. Stephen Hawking, a man who is considered to be one of the smartest men in the world, states in an interview, "We are entering an extremely dangerous period of history. Our population and our use for the limited resources of planet Earth are growing exceptionally, along with our technical ability to change the planet for good or ill. Our chance of long-term survival is not to remain lurking on planet Earth, but to spread out out into space. Even if there's a slight possibility that we will be able to find a suitable place, we should try. This is our last hope. Some incredibly important resources that are already limiting are things like oil. The modern world is built on oil. The peak oil theory suggests that oil production for a given reserve will follow a bell curve. Production for the reserve will rise to a peak and then begin declining due to the fact that as levels get lower, it becomes more expensive to retrieve, ending up at a point where you have to put more energy into sucking up and refining the oil than you get out of using it. I understand that it's hard to think about now, but there may come a time where people can't live on Earth anymore. And if that happens, we need to have a place to go, which starts today with increasing space exploration to find an answer. Vote for the future of your children and their children. Vote affirmative. Thank you.